girls will
and girls did. So, Tahira,
Yes, Tania.
what are you doing today?
Today is a special edition. So it's not your typical know-how, experiments that we typically do. But today I like to reveal this. So if you've noticed that my cheeks are a little chubbier, that is the reason why. Someone is baking a little boy.
Somebody pregnant.
Yes, because girls can't. We need a little help from men, but yes, I am pregnant. So in honor of that, and I just celebrated my birthday, I thought, wouldn't it be good to find out about my heritage and my roots for my upcoming child? So I'm actually going to show you how you would take a DNA kit test or whatever they are. And there's several of them, but in particular, I wanted to do the AfricanAncestry.com one. So we're going to show you that today.
Now, what's the difference between African Ancestry, 21 and 23andMe? Or is it 40?
23andMe?
23andMe. What's the difference between all of those? Like, is there a difference?
Not too much. I mean, they're all looking at your genetic coding, but this gets more specific to not just saying you're from Africa or you're from this country, but it gets into more of you're from this tribe.
Oh, okay.
So 23andMe and even just Ancestry may just gloss over, your heritage, but this actually gets into you're from Cameroon and you're from this people within Cameroon. So I'm excited about that.
I can't wait to see.
Yeah, I know. So, but today it's not results, y'all. We're probably gonna have to do a follow-up, video.
I can't wait.
I know, but we're gonna do just the test kit and show you how you would actually go about getting your results.
All right. Well, let's go. I can't wait to see it.
Welcome back. So, ladies and gentlemen, but in particularly ladies, when we have those impending children on the way, we start to get sentimental about the past, right? Well, I wanted to show you how to do your African Ancestry test kit. And I also want to give you a little bit of news you can use, right? Previous to this, in the last couple of years, I've been doing some research on our family roots and our history here in America. And there are a lot of free tools that you can use, such as FamilySearch.org. And also we have like National Archive facilities near us that we can go to and use all these Ancestry.com or Family Search, or there's a couple of other sites too. And they also have actual documents there that are from your particular state that you're searching for. So you can get a lot of free information about your family from those different websites. So I know African Ancestry and Ancestry.com are paid services, but actually FamilySearch.org is free. So you can find wills, marriage licenses, census records, and kind of be able to be that historian for your family. So, sometimes people go and get genealogists to do the research, but if you want to save those coins, those are some tools you can use that are free. So let's get started. So first, I opened my packet. I was so excited. I'm doing this live, so, it says to activate your kit. I've already activated my kit, so we don't have to do that step. Let's get all this stuff out. My little swabs. My little swab envelope. And then my actual envelope to mail. So, instructions say, prepare to swab. Do not use mouthwash or toothpaste, caffeine, alcohol, or smoke at least 3 hours before you get ready to swab your mouth. So it says you can rinse with water. So I'm going to ask my director if they can hand me the water right behind them. water. So I'm gonna rinse out. Okay, so in clothes, they come with 2 packs of swabs, a total of 4. So 2 in here, 2 in here. So I'm gonna remove 1 swab. It's so fun, y'all. I'm like a little kid right now. And I'm gonna swab the inside of each of my cheeks approximately 20 times per a cheek. Are you counting? Because I'm not.
Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I'm gonna get a little more on this side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right, 2 more. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need some water. Dry out your mouth.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I love the teacher in you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All done.
A little water, please. Okay, so we have to let these dry. We have to let the swab dry before we put it in the swab envelope. Once they're dry, they'll go in here, and then this will go in this already stamped USPS first class envelope. And then I'm gonna have to wait between 6 to 8 weeks to receive the results. So 6 or 7 episodes from now, you will actually get to see my results. But see how easy that was? And now you can get a little piece of your history. Don't forget about also FamilySearch.org and also looking up your National Archive located near you to use your free tools.
Tahira,
Mhm.
that was really interesting.
It was. I didn't think I would be swabbing so much, but yeah, so we'll see. And just like the whole process, it's pretty easy, but yeah, I didn't expect to be swabbing so much, but I'm really excited about the test results.
I can't wait to see because I'm gonna flip if I find out something. I'm gonna flip.
Not expected.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna have to go talk to my parents because I've had my mother and my father take it, so it'll be a good check to see if my, results kind of match their results. So we'll see. I'll have to be asking some questions. But anyway, yeah, I liked it. I think it was kind of cool.
All right. Well, thank you all for joining us, and we can't wait for Tahira results so we can see if she's part of the Zulu tribe,
Right?
if she's from Nambia.
Yeah,
So we're going to find all of that out
Mhm.
when I follow up. So again, thank you for joining us. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And again, let us know what you want to see,
Yes.
and Tahira will do it.
Mhm.
Until next time.
Bye.